Hello everyone, flexing our amazing product from I Am Worldwide like amazing pure organic barley, amazing choco barley, amazing barley soap, amazing immunology vitamin C, and amazing cafe macchiato slim coffee. Tandaan, bumili lang kayo sa distributor na may valid ID para iwas peke.